Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to learn how to introduce your family in English. This is an important topic for beginners because talking about your family helps in daily conversations. We will read, speak, and practice together. So, get ready to listen, repeat, and improve your English pronunciation. Hello, let me introduce myself. My name is Alex. I'm from Britain and I'm British. I live near London. I speak English and Spanish. I am a student and I study at the university. I have many friends, but my best friend is Peter. We love playing football together on Saturdays and Sundays. We're pretty good players. I really enjoy sports, but I don't have much free time. My family isn't very big. There are four of us: my dad, my mom, my sister, and me. My sister's name is Kate. She's not married. She's single. We also have a dog named Collins. We live in an apartment in the city center, but we also have a big house in the countryside. We usually go there on weekends. My dad is a doctor, and he works at the local hospital. My mom is a teacher. My dad likes playing tennis, and my mom enjoys cooking. We usually have dinner together at our big dinner table. My mom always cooks delicious meals for us. My dad and I often watch movies together. We sit on our big sofa and watch comedies. My sister Kate enjoys reading books and listening to music. We have a happy family, and we enjoy spending time together. That's it for today. Now you know how to introduce your family in English. Keep practicing every day, and soon you will speak English fluently. If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. Also, leave a comment introducing your family. I will read and reply.